we cannot deny that in recent years the Internet has become a tool of daily use for a large number of people. Adults, for example, did not imagine a few years ago what can be done with this medium. However, they had to learn to use it and adapt to new technologies to experience the benefits it offers. For the new generation, the use of the Internet has been very difficult. Since children and adolescents are growing with this tool and they find it easier to adapt to it. Little by little, they are becoming experts and use it daily. According to the most recent study of digital media consumption in Mexico, presented by IIDB and Midway Brown, adolescents between 12 and 18 are the largest group of the Internet users, since they represent 33% of users.